The most important thing while you are accessing files or reading them with Python is identifying the libraries to use and the location of the file. So we first identify the location of file, and the location of file is pollutants, it's a disk key, and it's the file pollutants. So we first go to import our pandas library, which is important for data analysis and manipulation. So we import pandas spd, then we create a data access method, which is data is equal to pd dot read excel, which is a function for reading excel files, and we have har for read. Then this is where we put the address of the file. So the file is located in he slash, then the name of the file is called pollutants dot x then we close. After this, we create a data file. df is equals to pd dot data frame, and we create it in reference to our file, which is data. And after that, we can check what the file contains, or maybe the summary of properties. So we print df.info, just like that. So we first save our model, you can call it model 4, yeah, and then we run it and see what is coming out of it. Fabulous. So we have these are pollutants, PM 2.5 concentration, nitrogen 2 oxide, or maybe nitrogen 4 oxide, for different locations E and D. You can see we have 4 columns over here and 13 columns for each of the 14 rows for each of the columns. So that's the simplest way of reading data files using Python, and this applies for CSV files. It's a similar method, only that you will change this to something like CSV, and pd.read CSV, and this should, the extension, file extension should also be CSV, just like that. And if it's the same thing, you should not have this file s.xl. So when it's trying to access the file, it should also find that the file extension is also this one. So you should save files with a similar extension to the method that you are using to read. Thank you. Keep tuned for more videos. Goodbye.